Okay, right now, until now we hear about the database like the user stored the information in the database. So what is actually database? In here we can see this is a database and this is a DBMS, which means the database management system. And this is the API, we have the app, user and another app. So this diagram actually represents the role of the database in the application architecture. So at the core, we have the DBMS, which is the database management system, which acts as the interface between the database and the external entities like the apps, users, and the other apps. So the database is where all the data is stored, and the DBMS is actually the database management system. It actually manages access to the data, allowing the all the applications and the user to get the data, modify it, and actually update or delete the data that actually stored in the database. So all of this communication between the database management system and the external entities like the app, user, browser, other thing is all done by this which is called API. So in short, the database management system handles the heavy lifting of ensuring the data is accessible and secure, meaning that we store our information in the database. So the database management system, it ensures that we get the data that we want to see or get or update or do any kind of thing with the database, and it actually helps us to interact with the database through this API.